and welcome to today's video. So in this video I will share with you four products makeup look. I mean full face of makeup with only 4 products? Yes, you heard it right. So let's get started. First is done with skincare because it won't count in makeup. Okay, so very first product is this. So this is the foundation of Maybelline Fit Me and in the shade 230. This is my exact match. So I will take the foundation on back of my hand. Just one pump. I really need only one pump. And using my finger, I will just warm it up. And I have tanning, so this won't match. Let's apply. It's my blender. Right. Okay, here it is. Okay. So I will blend my foundation with beauty blender, but you can use a brush. You can use this kind of flat brush, or you can use this kind of like brush. So now let's blend this foundation. This is a medium to buildable coverage. You can build it up, but actually I don't build it up because then it can be little patchy, but it's a very good foundation for oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can use this foundation over right here. This is also affordable and for dry skin. Blended it with very light hand, and the more you blend, the more the foundation looks flawless. Also, I'm using it on my eyes too as a concealer because it's a very lightweight, so it doesn't feel anything. The leftover, you will apply it on your neck. So this is how the foundation is looking right now. After foundation, I am using this Inside Cosmetics Strawberry Drip 05. This is the shade. See, if you are going out or just going to college, you can use that sun-kissed effect wala blush. Like apply blush like in W shape. If you are going to office, you want something formal kind of like look in makeup, so use this kind of. If you are a chubby face, use this step also. I always use this step because I have a chubby face, so I always apply blush lifted. As you can see, it's coming from my eyebrow and ending in the direction of my lips and ending in the eyeball of my eyes. And if the blush is looking so much, then we will use a beauty blender. See, this kind of blush, it looks lifted. My face is looking lifted. If you are going out, you can use here also. Then it will give a sun-kissed effect and it will look very nice. But As you can see, now the face is looking lifted because of the blush placement. Now I applied the blush. Now I will blend it with my beauty blender little bit because I want the pigment to stay. Just blend it little bit because after this so now this next step will be a powder. So we will use a compact powder. If you have dry skin, you can totally skip it. But I have a oily skin, so I will apply a compact powder. Also, I do this thing always. So take a small beauty blender and just blend it under your under eyes. No product, nothing, just blend it. And after blending, just take a pizza puff and take a compact powder, just apply. Mm. And as you can see, instant coverage. If anyone say to me, let's choose only two products, I will definitely choose this compact powder and this Inside's blush. That's it. I just love these two products very much. It will do the work. And I'm not using it all over my face because I like glowy, shiny look. So where I don't need shine, I will just apply a compact powder there. So this is the three product only, and the last product that will just change the game. Yes. So the last product is this. This is the contour plus bronzer palette, and this is a powder contour and bronzer palette. So we have this shade right here, and this will be a multi-purpose product. So first of all, I will apply this on my cheek. So taking this shade over right here, yes, and twisting off, very less dusted. I will apply the contour just below the blush to give more lifted effect, and just very pretty. And as you can see, the difference is right here. Same on this side. I like, pinkish plus nudish kind of makeup. That's why I add blush and contour. If you like only pinky kind of look, pinkish kind of look, you can just add only blush. You can just add only blush. That's it. Also, just take the brown contour shade and just place it all over your eyes. It will give you a very nice kind of eyeshadow look. just a little. It will look very natural. I started the lip thing, but camera is off. Now I will tell you again. So just take this shade, which I used as a blush, and just blend it on inside of your lips and on this side also. I have a little pigmented lips, and this shade won't work on me. That's why I am just dabbing and making this shade work. And as you can see, the makeup is turned out very pretty. So as you can see, the makeup is turned out very pretty, and you can't tell this makeup is done only with 4 products. See, this is the thing. If you like blush, you can add blush. If you don't like contour, you just skip contour. If you like eyeliner, you just add eyeliner. You like mascara, you just add mascara to your routine. See, I don't like mascara because it just make my lashes so it's make my lashes lifted, but it's made me very uncomfortable, and I have a little migraine problem. So I just do those things which will not trigger my brain. So that's why this is the thing. If you like this, you just add this. If you don't like this, you just remove this. Also, मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था जहाँ मैंने आपको अफोर्डेबल मेकअप लुक सिखाया था with only the budget 1000 rupees. So just go and watch this video over right here and just subscribe to my channel, and okay, bye bye.